I'm going to start tutorials on AutoCAD training. Basically, my focus will be on the AutoCAD part of the AutoCAD which we are using on a MEP. MEP means mechanical engineer plumbing, where we can use AutoCAD to create a plumbing drawing, to create a mechanical drawings and electrical drawing also. So we can just start with the AutoCAD, click, right click and open. I'll explain one by one the each command and how to use that command for a MAP. Okay, we are going for a new, just click on new. So this is interface will come. This is application, start application, where you can again open new document and open another created document, save as, import and other options. I'll explain one by one everything. So just for today, just you should know about the new and open, save as. Okay, now this called as quick access toolbar, where we have new option, then again open, we can open another meta document, save as, and there are new options in the AutoCAD like open from web and mobile, again save to web and mobile, and print. Plot means we can create a prints of it. Okay, this called as menu bar. This file, edit, view, insert, format, these called as menu bar. This is ribbon, where we have a different commands like draw section. In draw we have line, polyline and other commands, where we have modify, annotation, layers, block, properties and etc. This is command line. And status bar. Status bar will help you to uh, additional additional tools to enhance the drawing. This is a navigation bar, where you can use pan, rotate and other things. Okay, this is called as user coordinate. Basically, AutoCAD you mostly use for as a drafting software. So these have x-axis and y-axis. This model where you can draw multiple drawings, and layout it's for printing like pages, the first page, second page, here you can create third, fourth, but in the model you can draw multiple drawings. For example, this is my first page drawing, this is second page drawing, this is third page drawing. So consider these are pages and these are layout we have. So I can set a layout for a particular drawings, but in model I can draw the various drawings. Okay, just scroll and scroll in and scroll out and you will find the zoom in and zoom out. Again you can just use mouse scroll button, press it and just move the mouse, it will give you the pan. And also you can use the pan tab from here also. Okay,